Hi, this is John from Premiere Pro Classes, and today's tutorial is about how to export your sequence in different ways. Let's get started. So here I have my export window already open, just to show you this menu right here. So right now it's an entire source, so it's going to do the whole sequence. But I can also just take part of the sequence. I can take the in and out of the sequence or the work area, or I could even go to custom here, where if I click it, I have a little bar here that I can choose what I want to export in the sequence in the export window. But let's go back to the project and I'll show you other ways. So here I'm back to my project, and let's say for instance I'm doing a project and I want to send a part of it to my producer so that she can just see the part I want her to see. So I'm going to make an in point here, hit I on the keyboard, and I'm going to make an out point here. And now when I go to the export window, I can go source in and out. So it's only going to take the part that I chose in and out. And also you can adjust it here in the same window. So that's one way to export just a part of the sequence, so you don't have to export the whole thing every time you want to make a revision and show it to somebody. Now let's go back to the project again. And there's another way you can export the sequence with a workspace. So here if I drop down this drop down menu here and I say work area bar, now I have this bar here. So if I'm always working in the same area of the sequence, so say I can move this bar from here to here. So this is my work area bar. So I want to only export this area right here that I've been working on. So again, I go to the export window and I drop the menu down and I go to work area. So now it's showing me it's only going to export that work area that I have in the work bar in my sequence. That's another way to export. And another way, and the last way we can export, if we go back to the edit window, even if I have ins and outs here in a work bar and I want the whole sequence to go out, then I would highlight the sequence and go to export. And this time I would say entire source. So it would ignore the ins and outs and the work bar and take your entire sequence and export it out. So I hope that helps you understand the export feature a little better and how to export part of your sequence. Thanks for watching. Subscribe or like. See you next time.